Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Volkswagen has finally unveiled the update Golf R following the introduction of the refreshed MK 8.5 Golf earlier this year. The 2025 Golf R brings enhanced performance and a suite of new features to both the hatchback and wagon model. The updated turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine now generates 327 horsepower, an increase of 14 horsepower from the previous model, and delivers 310 pound-feet of torque. This boost in power allows the hatchback to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, according to Volkswagen. The vehicle comes equipped with all-wheel drive and 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission with torque factoring. With the optional performance package, the top speed reached 167 miles per hour, making it the fastest Volkswagen alongside the Arteon R shooting brake. Without the package, the top speed is limited to 155 miles per hour. The exterior of the Golf R features new LED plus headlight that frame an illuminated badge, now standard on all models. The redesign from bumper include aerodynamic elements such as brake cooling, finished in high-gloss black, standard LED taillights, a black diffuser, and quad tailpipes complete the rear design. 18-inch ERS wheels are standard, while the optional performance package adds a larger 19-inch wheels, a G-meter, a GPS lap timer, and 2 new drive modes, special and drift. The special mode is tailored specifically for the Nürburgring, enhancing the car performance on the track challenging terrains. Inside, the Golf R boasts a 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen and a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster with Volkswagen Digital Cockpit Pro. The gadget features unique Golf R detail, and the cabin include redesign, illuminated volume control, and temperature slider. European buyers will have access to the Golf R Black Edition, which features darker Volkswagen badges and R logos, black calipers, black 19-inch S-Toril wheels, and a black tailpipe trim. The IQ-like LED matrix headlights and the performance pack are standard on this special edition. Additionally, a new 19-inch aluminum fork wheel is available, which is 17.6 pounds lighter per rim compared to a similar alloy wheels. While specific details for the United States market have not been yet released, pre-sale for the revamped hatchback and wagon will begin in Europe in June. The wagon model, however, will not be available in the United States. Volkswagen has announced that the car will go on sale in Germany at a lower price, but it is still unclear if the United States market will receive the same discount.